What is going on, MOASS Nation? So yes, I did change my little intro here from Ape Nation to MOASS Nation because we're now fixing to be known as MOASS Nation. And why? Because you should already know this, because you should have watched the two previous videos that I released earlier today. Yes, not two, but one, but two. Yeah, I tricked you, you little crayon-eating idiot. Stupid apes. So listen, you little ape head. So here's what's going on. Jerome Powell, the Fed chair, the current Fed chair, he was extremely dovish today. And when he came out being so dovish, well, that was a good sign for the stock market. Not just for the stock market, for AMC, because AMC is a stock inside of the stock market. See, I'm going to have to explain it to you very slowly, because you're probably a stupid ape, and you don't know nothing unless your crayon is yellow, and you only know that you like the yellow ones the best because it tastes like nanner. Sometimes nanners are green, and that's when you have to be careful and not eat the dadgum nanner. I like them.
But if it's not ripe, it's green.
Anyhow, this video, as you may have noticed, is going to be a little bit more laid back, relaxed, just to, you know, let you take a break, because I know you've been focusing so hard listening to the dumber YouTubers that sit there and tell you all the stupid stuff about numbers and figures that you don't even need to know, because all the crap they say never makes any sense, does it? When they say something's going to happen, it only happens 2% of the time. This is my little sister. She bought a bunch of Shiba Inu today. I told her not to. I told her just to put that money in on AMCA stock. I have to explain to her. She's very smooth-brained, and she loves yellow crayons, which makes her brain even more smoother. So she's always like, "What? What's going on here?" And I'm like, I know you just lost money. Now give me more money so I can put it in more of this AMCA stock that's going down right now. And then she can't figure it out. She's like, but don't you want to buy it when it's going up? And then you buy it when it's going up too, when it's MOASSing, because it'll bring us MOASS. Now if you don't like MOASS, there's definitely something wrong with you, and you may want to move back into grandma's basement where you're going to live with the Piggly Wigglies, and they're going to squeal and tell you, wee! But you enjoy that, you little sicko. Just like them Catholic priests enjoy touching them little boys. Let's get serious for a second. So, let me give you this very brief narrative of what happened in the stock market today. We saw the BBBY, which is bigger than a double D. That stock right there, it came out, it released some news. I know I told you this in today's previous video, but some of you haven't watched it, and I know because I'm watching you watch this video now and not watch the other one. So, that gave us a lot of hope, but not just hope. It showed us, it gave us scientific evidence, okay? Gave us data. It showed us that the apes were strong, the apes were here, and that the meme stock buying isn't over. We're here to take over the entire freaking stock market, to kick out any dum-dums that do not want to participate in our freaking reindeer games, okay? Ha-da-la-la-la. When they grow up, we gon' maybe keep them or sell them. All you need to know, keep buying, keep hodling, keep buying, keep hodling, and get you some brand new organic bananas. They're better than the normal kind because they don't have all them GMOs in it. You can eat yellow snow only if it's made out of bananas.
Bananas.
But don't use the green bananas, they ain't ripe yet. Which is a banana analogy. We're still holding our AMCA until the bananas are ripe. If they ain't ripe, you can always get a yellow crayon, start coloring filling in your green banana yellow, and it'll be delicious if you wait another couple
That means
days.
you eat crayons.